and welcome to Sugar and Spice. My name is Melissa Randall from Baking with Melissa, and today we are making chocolate brownies with condensed milk. These brownies are so fudgy and so delicious. First, you need 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You'll pour them into a medium-sized pot with 1/4 of a cup of softened butter. Now I'm going to place this onto my stovetop and melt it up until it's nice and melted. I've melted my chocolate and butter together, and now I'm going to place it into my mixer. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose baking mix. Now you can find this at a local grocery store very easily, and again, it's a baking mix, not all-purpose flour. I'm gonna pour that into my bowl with 1 egg that's been lightly beaten and 1 can of condensed milk. That'll be 14 ounces of condensed milk. We've got that all mixed together. Scrape off the extra on the sides here. And then we're going to go ahead and put the brownie mixture into our already prepared 9x13 pan. Now I am using non-stick foil here for mine, but you can also use a non-stick spray or parchment paper. And go ahead, put your brownie mixture into the pan. Now this brownie mixture is very thick. Sometimes brownies, the batter is really runny, but this one's a very, very thick one. Once you get most of the brownie batter out, you can go ahead and spread it. And why I say most, just because whenever you're eating brownies or making brownies, you always need to save a little extra for when you're done. Satisfy that sweet tooth before you start the baking. So you spread this all around the pan. I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees. And I'm going to go ahead and stick this into the oven. I put these in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. You just go ahead and start checking it around 20. And here you have it, chocolate brownies with condensed milk. These are amazing and fudgy, wonderful brownies that will be sure to delight everyone. Thank you so much for joining me here at Sugar and Spice. My name is Melissa Randall from Baking with Melissa, and I am so glad you came here today.